Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, is applauding Jamaica's economic resilience in the face of recent storms and global uncertainty. But the assessment by an IMF team comes with some warnings. The team wrapped up its annual review this week.
The International Monetary Fund, or IMF, is giving the country high marks for its financial discipline and economic resilience. But there are also warnings about risks ahead. An IMF team led by Maricia Villafuerte visited the island recently to conduct its 2025 Article 5 consultation. The team praised Jamaica for keeping inflation under control, cutting public debt, and managing back-to-back shocks, including natural disasters. Despite setbacks from Hurricane Beryl and Tropical Storm Raphael, the IMF says Jamaica's economy is bouncing back. GDP dipped due to storm damage in agriculture and tourism, but recovery is already underway. Unemployment at a record low 3.7%. Inflation in the BOJ's target range of 4 to 6%. Public debt expected to fall 65% of GDP, the lowest in 25 years. The IMF also pointed to government efforts to cut crime, improve education, and invest in clean energy. But there are concerns. The IMF warns that global economic pressures and climate-related disasters could threaten growth. It's calling on Jamaica to maintain smart spending, deepen foreign exchange reforms, and prepare for future shocks. The IMF praised Jamaica's overall policy mix and says the country is in a strong position to respond if challenges arise. Kerry-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.
To news on the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 2,056 points, while the junior market index declined by 16 points. The winners were G West Corporation, ordinary shares, Cygnus Credit Investments, US dollar shares, The Lab, Kentire Holdings JA, and Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited. The losers included Iron Rock Insurance, General Accident Insurance, Access Financial Services, Cygnus Credit Investments 8% preference shares, and Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares. 19 stocks traded firm. To some currency trading now, foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $159.93. The Canadian dollar is being sold for an average of $116.43. The pound is going for $211.74, while the euro is selling for an average $184.56. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.